now in Baler. And this is what we call Mrs. Jones Coast Resort. And this is adjacent, this particular resort, to the Pacific Ocean. You see, the waves current is quite stronger. That's why it's not very nice to swim at this point in time. But these waves are very good for surfing. You see, the current of the water is quite stronger. And on my back, of course, you'll see my siblings. There's April, there's Tex, my brother boy, my sister Anna, and of course my son is quite farther dyan, there. And you see that mountain range is adjacent also to the Sierra Madre mountain range, where you can see the cap cloud on top of it. It's still thick. And you see, the sun started to shine here. And you see, there's so many people along the shore. They're enjoying the sun, enjoying the beach coast here. Here also, the resort where we are staying, this is Jones Coast Resort. So nice here. Okay. So, see you next vlog here in Baler. It's been Alhizza.